Okay, class, in this video I'm going to show you how to put a matrix in a calculator. Alright, so an example would be a question that says solve the system of equations, and they give you this equation right here, 2x plus 3y equals 6, 4x plus 10y equals 20. The first thing you want to do is make a matrix, so you steal the leading coefficients 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 4, 10, 20, 4, 10, 20, which is going to be a 2 by 3 because I have 2 rows and 3 columns. So the dimensions of the matrix is a 2 by 3. So you grab your calculator and you hit second matrix, go over to edit. So anytime you want to put in a new matrix, you have to edit. Alright, so right now matrix A says it's a 3 by 4, but I'm going to press enter and it's going to give me the options to enter new dimensions, and we said ours was a 2 by 3. So I do 2, enter, 3, enter. And now I just enter the data, so 2, 3, 6, 2, enter, 3, enter, 6, enter, 4, enter, 10, enter, 20, enter. So after you put in each entry, press enter to go to the next spot. So now that I have that matrix in there, I hit second quit to get back to the home page. Okay, so now we're going to work on solving. Okay, so the computer is going to say use Gauss-Jordan or Gaussian elimination to solve this, but we're actually going to let the calculator do most of it. So to let the calculator do it, we hit second matrix again, and then you want to go over to math. Okay, so second matrix, go over to math, and then the technique that we're going to use is actually called reduce row echelon. So the calculator abbreviates that RREF. Okay, so go down to RREF, press enter. Okay, so now we have to tell it what to take RREF of. So we go back to the matrix, so we hit second matrix again, and matrix A is the one that we just put in there, so we want to press enter. So now we're telling it to take RREF of matrix A. You can close the parentheses, press enter, and we get this new matrix. So our new matrix is, try to get you to see it, is 1, 0, 0, and 0, 1, 2. Okay, so this gave us a new matrix, but the question's asking us to solve for x and solve for y. So remember my first column here was my x column, so I had 2 and 4s, but those were my x's. So it's the same situation. This is my x column, my second column was my y column, and then my third column was my equals to column. So what this final matrix is telling me that 1x equals 0. So I have 1x equals 0, or just x equals 0. And the second column is telling me 1y equals 2. So I have 1y equals 2, or just y equals 2. So this is my solution. X equals 0, y equals 2. And that's how we're going to solve. So yes, you can do it by hand using the Gaussian elimination or the Gauss-Jordan elimination, but it's a lot easier to let the calculator do all the work. It is going to put it in matrix form. You just have to see that the first column, 1x equals 0 and 1y equals 2 is going to be your final answer. Hope this video helps.